morning, everyone. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today we're going to continue with the blues. That is the blue flowers. Now we have planted our DIY flower beds with the beautiful Victorian blue salvia. That worked out well, but now we have a bunch of containers that we want to fill. One of the blues that we could do is the Lobelia. It actually means distinction, and with this blue, oh yeah, it's very distinct. It's stunning, actually. So these are great for containers, especially if you provide them with some cool soil and they like moist. So going around a bush like this is a hibiscus, which also loves water. Can you imagine this color going around it? I mean, it's really perfect. Okay, the next one we're going to use is this wild child. It's a flax, and wild child is not its name, I just called it that. But it'll grow up pretty tallish, and it'll have beautiful flowers. It'll be the background on a lot of pots. And we know the flax as one of the earliest and most used textiles in the day. It's a fiber. Some people confuse it with linseed. It's not the same. I mean, they're related, but the flax is a tall, as you saw, plant with really small seeds. And if you want oil, you want larger seeds. So the linseed looks like the flax, but it's shorter and it has larger seeds, which is perfect. Now, there's a lot of issues with flax. Issue of being beautiful? Well, no. But if you're a farmer, you could only farm it for 6 years because it will deplete the soil. So this needs fertilization, but it doesn't want moist soils, which is perfect because one of my other blues that we're going to use is the ageratum, also known as floss flower. It's just beautiful, and it'll kind of bush out, and it's just stunning, and it likes the same conditions. So we have 3 more blues that we could use in our garden here. Now we need something that goes against it, kind of. How about some Sun Inpatients, white? What looks better than the pinks and the whites with the blues? Kind of all goes together. These have some pink stems, which is beautiful, variegated foliage, white flowers, and then we have like these super petunia, Bermuda peach petunia. I mean, with the blues, this will cascade down, and then we have our stock pink flowers. And if I need another filler, obviously Dusty Miller. The white will come and kind of tie everything together. So let me plant some of these and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, another great one, especially if you have the fullest sun with humidity, this could take it. The Blew My Mind Evolvulus from Proven Winters. This is incredible. I mean, it just will perform. The hotter, the better. So this is going to get full sun. This will also be great. It kind of gets like a bushy low bush, beautiful flowers, and also how about some beautiful pink pentas to go with it. I'm telling you, there's some about pink and white and blue. Okay, all the blues are in. I feel better. But the one I didn't put in that I want to note is the borage. I ran in to get something and my borage had reseeded over the driveway. He wants to be starstruck. Anyway, I might add some seeds. Now, borage is one of those plants you could just keep putting seeds in and it'll keep blooming through pretty much through October. But this Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and there's a lot of options for blue flowers. Have a great day.